What up guys, Miguel here of Yugatech, and in this video we are checking out 3 budget-friendly tablets good for productivity work, specifically for students still in high school and college that anyone can easily purchase with home credit. The following tablets in this video are available for low monthly installments through home credit at 0% interest and for as low as 0% down payment with their ongoing back-to-school promo, which will run until September 30. So, without further ado, let's check out some tablets. First up, we have the Huawei MatePad SE. This tablet comes with a free flip cover you can use to prop the tablet up, like so. It also features a 10.1-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 1200 by 1920. That's a full HD plus resolution, which should be good enough for viewing notes, media, and video research. It runs on Harmony OS 2.0, and its computing power comes from the Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 chipset. And in a nutshell, this tablet should be everyone's minimum standard when it comes to purchasing a tablet. Users can expect multitasking with up to 3 windows for research, writing down notes, and alike. The MatePad SE also features front and rear cameras good enough for video calls, provided you take your call in a well-lit enough environment. For more information on the Huawei MatePad SE, check out our review here. The Huawei MatePad SE with flip cover can be yours for only 1,123 pesos for 9 months via home credit installment. Next is the Oppo Pad Air. If you are an Oppo user, the Oppo Pad Air might be a good addition to your arsenal. It features a 10.3-inch IPS LCD panel with a resolution of 2000 by 1200 with a pixel density of 225 pixels per inch, which translates to a good enough resolution for a 10-inch display. It packs a decent Snapdragon 680 4G CPU coupled with an Adreno 610 GPU. It runs on Android 12, skinned with ColorOS 12 on top. The Oppo Pad Air also features a microSD XC expansion on top of the 128 gigs of onboard storage, which means storage capacity shouldn't be the biggest issue on this tablet. For cameras, the device packs an 8-megapixel main camera, while up front we have a 5-megapixel selfie camera. Aside from that, this tablet has a quad speaker setup for a much more immersive audio or multimedia listening experience. With this hardware, students can easily record lectures and notes via video and images, and with those quad speakers, re-listening to the lecture should be great! The device has the biggest battery capacity on this list, rated at 7,100 mAh with support for 18-watt wired charging, as well as 5 watts of reverse wired charging. So, this tablet could also be used as a low-output power bank in case of an emergency. You just need to use a USB Type-C to C cable. Unless you have an iPhone, then you'd have to use a USB-C to Lightning cable. But then, if you had an iPhone, why would you have the Oppo Pad Air? You can get the Oppo Pad Air for only 1,123 pesos for 9 months via home credit installment. So, if you want this, check it out there. Finally, we have one of Samsung's budget-friendly tablets, the Galaxy Tab A8 LTE. It features a 10.5-inch TFT LCD panel that has a resolution of 1920 by 1200 and a pixel density of 216 pixels per inch. For software, it runs on Android 11 out of the box, skinned with One UI Core 3.1, and this should be upgradable to Android 12, but we haven't gotten the update over the air with our review unit. For its chipset though, we have the Unisoc Tiger T618 12nm processor that also features a Mali G52 MP2 GPU and 4GB of RAM. It also has support for storage expansion via microSD XC on top of the onboard storage of 128GB. Now, out of all the tablets on this list, the reason you'd want the Galaxy Tab A8 is for One UI. And I get that it's the core version, but there's still a lot you can do with it. This tablet is great for multitasking as you can open as many floating windows as you want with no limit, whether it's for taking live notes or jotting notes while recording the lecture and while listening to a music video or running Spotify. or just having as many floating windows as you can till it's unusable. The ability to do this over any of the other tablets on this list make the Tab A8 the multitasking champ for this video. When it comes to the cameras, we have an 8 megapixel camera that is capable of capturing 1080p at 30 frames per second video output and a 5 megapixel selfie camera. For its battery, we have here a 7040 mAh capacity that features 15 watt wired charging. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 LTE is available for only 1,523 pesos for 9 months via home credit installment. Eligible customers can also apply for up to a 150,000 peso cash loan with up to 6 months flexible loan term with just 1 minute processing time. You can even get up to 5 months of free installment if you pay on time. Also, get your device repaired or replaced from damages for no extra cost. It even extends your device's warranty for 1 year after the manufacturer's warranty period has expired. Just add the device protection plan to your home credit installment so you can enjoy peace of mind for up to 2 years for as low as 3 pesos per day. Visit www.shoppingmall.ph to find the best home credit deals near you, or download the My Home Credit app for more sulit installment offers. Alternatively, you can also follow homecredit.ph at their socials via Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok to know more about their latest deals and promos. So that's it for this list of tablets good enough for school. If you want some quick rankings of the devices on this list, it is as follows. Display and battery go to the Oppo Pad Air. Operating system goes to the Samsung Galaxy Tab A8. And take the Huawei MatePad SE if you're in love with the Huawei ecosystem. And there you have it. What do you guys think of the tablets on this list? What devices have you purchased through home credit? Let us know in the comment section below. But if you enjoyed this video or found it informative, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future upload. Be sure to visit utech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one.